Welcome. I will present my PhotoWizard Online Help project created using Madcap Flare. This project was completed for BCIT COM 1260, Designing and Writing Online Help. PhotoWizard is a feature-packed photo editor app for iPhone and iPod using a touch-based UI. It has full image editing, targeted adjustments using masking, over 100 filters and effects, and extensive tools for photo customization. Key features include unlimited undo, redo, autosave, and high-resolution exports. The goal was to provide well-organized and easy-to-use online help that is targeted towards two audience personas. The first persona is a casual user. The second persona is an advanced user. The casual user persona wants to make memes, add text to photos, blend images, add cool filters and effects, and to share images to social media. The advanced user persona needs access to masking, filters, effects, and many other tools to do precision edits. The help system is organized by topics. There are 3 topic categories: tasks, concepts, and references. The content is arranged by application function. A clear and direct structure helps users find information quickly. The application functions are grouped by the categories shown here: editing tools, exporting and sharing images, masking images, blending images, applying image filters, and applying image effects. There are 20 topics in this help project. There are 12 task topics, 4 concept topics, 4 reference topics, and 1 welcome topic. The topic structure was developed by examining the target audience's primary objectives. Each objective was broken down into a set of specific topics. To achieve that objective, each topic was designed to address a single thing, i.e. a task, a concept, or a reference. This slide shows one primary objective for the advanced user persona who need to prepare images for their gallery show, broken down into a series of topics. For the visual design, the components include a color palette, font choices, CSS styling, notes, tips, and warning boxes. For my color palette, I started with the colors of the PhotoWizard logo shown here. I used 2 online tools, Peloton.com and Coolers.co, to refine the palette for my help system. The colors were used for branding, skins, headings, text, image borders, tables, paragraphs, backgrounds, etc. For fonts, I initially chose Lato Sans and Noto Sans for my fonts, as these were good choices for readability and portability in web designs. However, these were not available in Flare, so I went with the available stock fonts, Cambria and Tahoma. Various elements were CSS styled, including heading, paragraphs, images, bodies, list items, tables, etc. I created notes, tips, and warnings. However, I did not end up using tips or warnings in any of my topics. The visual design elements work together to provide a visually cohesive design that I think is pleasing to the user's eye. For navigation and access, the main navigation follows the content structure, which is grouped by application functionality. There is a related topics section on each topic page to help the user find more information. Each topic has a meta description tag designed to help users easily find topics with the search bar. The topic navigation is hierarchical, logically structured, and follows a consistent naming convention for tasks, concepts, and reference topics. It should be easy for users to navigate the help quickly and quickly find information. Information for best practices and concept information layering is incorporated into the task topics by the use of image thumbnails. Users can quickly scan the task steps, and if they need more detail, they will expand the image thumbnails to see a visual representation of the result. Showing the full images for each instruction step would be overwhelming for users. The use of task subheadings to group steps by functions is another form of layering. For linking, two examples of linking to improve usability are on the blending to images task. The select blending mode and opacity has a link to the blending mode's reference topic. The related topics section also includes links that improve usability. I prioritize the following writing standard to deliver clear, concise, and user-centered help. For clarity, I use straightforward, simple language, active voice, and direct sentence structure. For conciseness, I focused on essential information only and using precise language. For user-centered design, I focused on the needs of the audience personas, using their primary objectives to drive the task, selection, and design. For my blend to images task, I use clear, actionable, numbered steps, each describing a specific action. Each step uses imperative verbs, start, select, touch, drag, and includes visual aids to provide a visual confirmation for the user. The main task is broken into smaller, manageable subtasks to reduce complexity, i.e. load the foreground image, resize and reposition, adjust settings. The topic can contain just enough information to complete the task and minimal background information. The last step provides confirmation and closure of the task for the user. Congratulations, you have successfully blended two images. For SEO optimization, I searched for synonyms of topic keywords and built description to be used in the topic meta description tag. My descriptions are probably a little long. I decided the trade-off for improved searchability was worthwhile. These practices directly benefit the user of the help system, making it user-friendly, efficient, and accessible. The users should be satisfied and more successful in finding help. I enhance the user experience with best practices such as layering information, strategic linking and related topics, clarity, conciseness, and user-centered design, and task-based writing. With reflections, I'm used to working directly with HTML and CSS, so using Flare was interesting. The fast change, build, review, iteration cycle is convenient. I would like to evaluate other help authoring systems to gain experience. Improvements would be to gather more user needs and requirements, getting help and feedback, get more help and feedback from the actual app user during and after development. I would increase the number of peers that I would have review my content, and I would add analytics to the topics to see what was used and which pages the topics were used most. Challenges were adapting to Windows. I've not used Windows for a long time, so relearning basic operations on Windows took a bit of time. I ran into some virtualization issues. Madcap Flare ran very slowly and unreliably on my Mac using Parallels Desktop and Apps Anywhere, so I had to switch to a Windows laptop. I set up a GitHub repository, which is a bit of a challenge, but I found an effective Git bash command line tool. Again, this transitioning between Mac and Windows added a bit of complexity. Madcap Flare, I'm used to fast, error-free applications. The frequent errors and crashes of Madcap Flare, perhaps due to Apps Anywhere virtualization, were distracting and made the interface feel somewhat outdated. I hope I've sufficiently covered the various aspects of my PhotoWizard Online Help project. Thank you for your time and attention. This concludes my presentation.